guys, what I did today was work on getting this to all reload. So now it opens up, a rocket comes in, and it fires, and it explodes. Pretty cool. That same shader is being used over here for just a silly effect. I think it's pretty neat. I can do like a lot of things with it. Oh, which shader? Here it is. And like change it and make it do different things. I can make it pulse faster. I can make it move faster, of different scale. Lots of things. Lots and lots and lots of things. It was fun to make. Really enjoyed it. Alright guys. I do stream 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific time. Stop by my stream at twitch.tv/Spherus and check out the devlog at playpolaris.com/devlog. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.